Hey everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to change status on Outlook or how to show yourself busy in Outlook. Since there is no option in Outlook to just click busy, the first step we can do is to go to calendar and show yourself busy. For example, choose any date here on calendar that you want to be busy. This one, click on the date and edit. So you can edit here based on your preference. So this one I'll choose today and I'll just enable it all day. Click more options. In here you can see this. Click this and change it to busy and just save. That's the first thing you can change your status. And the next one is on Teams. Go to Teams. Here, there's a busy option, which is on the profile icon here. Click it, this one, and click busy. Since the Teams is synced into your Outlook, it will automatically change also in Outlook. And that's it. That's how you show yourself busy in Outlook or change status in Outlook. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful tips. Thank you for watching.